Hello everyone, this is Anuj from Gadget Geek. Today we have with us a cool retro looking smartwatch from Amazfit, and it's the Amazfit Neo. This smartwatch is available on Flipkart from today for Rs 2499. So let's do the unboxing first. In the front of the box we have the picture of the smartwatch and the model name Amazfit Neo in this shiny font. And here at the bottom we can see it supports the Huami PAI assessment and the sleep tracking. On this side we have some features of this smartwatch such as the heart rate monitoring, sleep tracking, always on display, 28 days battery life, and it's also 5 ATM water resistant. Now let's open the box and see the content. So first we get the user manual, which is available in different languages, and it has a detailed info about the features of this smartwatch. And then here we have the smartwatch itself. And guys, I must say that the retro design looks pretty good and I really like this red color. Apart from that, this smartwatch is available in black and green color. We will look at the smartwatch in a moment. Let's see what else we have in the box. So in the box we get this charger, and here is how you can connect the charger at the back of the smartwatch. So that's all we have in the box. Now let's look at the smartwatch closely. Starting with the design and build quality. First of all, I'm liking this retro design and I personally find it stylish. It's like a classic watch with the modern smart features. You have the 4 physical buttons which are up, down, select and back. Now in terms of the build quality, it's all plastic which is expected in this price range. But because of that, it's lightweight. The straps are of good quality which are not removable. But the quality is good and this watch feels really comfortable on the hand. Now in terms of the overview, we have a dot matrix screen which is an always on display. And the size is 1.2 inches. It's obviously not a touchscreen, and to operate the smartwatch, you have these 4 physical buttons on the sides. Below the screen we have the Amazfit branding, and at the back we have the heart rate sensor and the charging pins. Now let's turn on the watch and pair it with our phone. So to turn on the smartwatch, you need to press and hold the select button. And here it is on and asking us to bind the watch with the app. This smartwatch works with the Amazfit app, which is now rebranded as Zepp, and I personally find this app really good. Now to pair the smartwatch, you would need to go to the add device section, and here you need to select the watch without the QR code. And here is our watch, and it's now paired with our phone. Now let's go through the watch menu. So first we have the watch face, and here you have the date, day and time at the bottom. And on the top you have the options which you can go through up and down button. Now looking at the features, here we have the step count, heart rate. And talking about the heart rate, this smartwatch do support continuous heart rate monitoring. And then you have the PAI score for your sports activities. And then after that we have the alarm, stopwatch, and to use the stopwatch, you can press the select button, and to reset, press the back button. And then we have the DND mode, which you can toggle with the select button. After that you have the weather forecast, calories burned and distance. Apart from that, you can also use the back button to toggle the backlight. There are also a couple of more options, such as when you press and hold the back and up button, it will enable the find phone option. And then you can reset the watch, which you can do by pressing and holding the back and down button. This smartwatch also supports raise to wake feature, which works pretty good. The screen visibility is also pretty good when it comes to both indoor and outdoor. And for the night time, you can turn on the backlight or flick the wrist to turn it on. Overall in terms of the features, they are pretty basic, but you get all the essential features on this smartwatch. Now let's look at the companion app feature. First of all, the app is pretty good when it comes to connectivity. And according to me, feature-wise this app is really good. So on the homepage you have the fitness data such as step count, calories burned, heart rate, sleep data, and then you have your PAI health assessment data. On the profile page you have your watch settings, and here you can see the remaining battery on the top. And from here you can turn on the call and app notification. Talking about it more, here is how you get the call notification. And guys, in this smartwatch there is no vibration motor, so for calls you get continuous beeping. By the way, you can silent the call with the down button, and pressing the back button will reject the call, which is really good. And talking about the message alert, here is how you get the alert. And it just shows you the icon here with the number of notifications. Now coming back to the app, here you can turn on the continuous heart rate monitoring as well as race to wake feature. Overall, the Amazfit Neo is a classic looking smartwatch with all the modern fitness features. I really like the design and the build quality. It's lightweight and really comfortable as well. And keeping in mind the price, which is just Rs 2499, it's really a good package. And guys, the battery life is really good, and with the 160 mAh battery in this smartwatch, you get 28 days battery backup. Fitness data seems accurate and the sleep tracking is also very good. Talking about the sleep tracking more, you also have the REM support in this as well as the daytime nap monitoring. The only issue which I can think of is the vibration motor. I wish it also had a vibration alert feature, as you won't be able to hear the beep sometimes in the noisy environment. Nonetheless, I still think that it's a perfect budget smartwatch at the moment, and I highly recommend you to check it out. And as usual, if you like it and want to buy one, then do check the buy link in the description below. So that's it guys, this was the unboxing and overview of the Amazfit Neo smartwatch. Let us know if you like it, and also do tell us your favorite feature of this smartwatch in the comment section below. So that's all for now. If you like this video, then please press the like button and subscribe to our channel Gadget Geek for more videos like this. Once again, this is Anuj signing off, and I'll see you in the next one.